Have you ever been on the edge of a tall building and felt your stomach flip? Curious about why some people are terrified of heights? Join us as we unravel the mystery of acrophobia. Ready for the plunge into the world of fear? Acrophobia, commonly known as the fear of heights, is a type of anxiety disorder that affects millions of people worldwide. It is characterized by an intense, irrational, and persistent fear of heights or situations involving heights, such as being on high floors in buildings, standing on a balcony, or riding in an elevator. Acrophobia can cause a range of symptoms, including intense anxiety, panic attacks, sweating, trembling, rapid breathing, and nausea. It can be severe enough to impact an individual's quality of life, making it difficult to perform everyday tasks, travel, or participate in activities that involve heights. The cause of acrophobia is not entirely known, but it can develop from various factors, such as early traumatic experiences, genetics, or a learned fear response. It can also be a result of other underlying conditions, such as vertigo, anxiety disorders, or phobias. Treatment options for acrophobia include exposure therapy, cognitive behavioral therapy, and medication. Exposure therapy involves gradually exposing the individual to heights, starting with lower levels of anxiety and moving up gradually. Cognitive behavioral therapy focuses on changing negative thoughts and behaviors related to heights, and medication, such as anti-anxiety drugs, can help manage the physical symptoms associated with anxiety. Living with acrophobia can be challenging, but support is available. It's important for individuals who experience acrophobia to seek help from a mental health professional who can provide a personalized treatment plan tailored to their needs. Joining support groups or online communities can also help individuals connect with others who share similar experiences, providing a safe space to discuss and manage their fears. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this content. If you enjoy what you see, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. We truly appreciate your support. Overcoming acrophobia can be a journey, but with the right treatment and support, it is possible. By facing fears and developing effective coping mechanisms, individuals can resume their daily lives and participate in activities without being held back by their fear of heights. If you enjoy what you see, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content.